Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to get back hack eBay account. If you want to get back hack eBay account, what you can do is simply you can tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, what you can do is tap on use email or username. After you tap on use email or username, over here you can see text a temporary password, reset your password, create an account. Tap on reset your password. After you tap on reset your password, tap on continue. After you tap on continue, what next you can do is over here tap on contact us. After you tap on contact us, you will see over here email us. Tap on email us. You need to wait for a second. Now over here you can enter your email address and you can re-enter your email address to confirm, and you need to enter your username, and in this you need to provide a brief description of your issue and tap on send. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.